folks. It's wintertime right here in East Tennessee. And it's cold. It's about 50 degrees today, which it's been colder and it's been a little bit warmer. But there's a cold front that's went through. It's about 50 degrees ambient temperature in the air. And the water temperature is probably about 45 to 47, somewhere in that range. We'll find out once I get out on the water. So come on along and let's see if we can catch a fish. I don't expect a whole lot going on a day like today, but let's give it a try and see what we can catch. We'll try to throw a few crankbaits, try to throw maybe an A-rig, and maybe do some shaky heads or Nikos or something to see if we can catch fish. So let's get started. Here we go. All right, I'm going to get started. I'm going to throw this Alabama rig. I really don't want to. I don't like fishing it. I know people catch a lot of fish on them, but I just as soon tie a chandelier on there and throw it out there, or a lampshade. I just never did like it. Anyway, no fish caught here using this one today. This is my favorite time of the year to throw crankbaits, especially the banded series. I like throwing the 100 and the 200 series bandits, but it doesn't look like I'm doing any good on this bank right here. But I am trying the best I can to catch a fish. All right, let's try something a little different. Let's throw this Nico rig. It's about 24, 26 feet of water right here. See if there's something down on the bottom. Fish. Good fish. Good fish. Right. You want it, did you, big boy? Pretty good looking fish here. Pretty good looking fish. Stay on there now. All right. A little over 15 inches. Pretty good looking fish. Good looking fish. He's a little thin, but he's healthy. Healthy fish. Let's see if we can't get another one. Another good fish. Oh, like that, did he? Like that old Nico, didn't you? Huh? Come on up in here. Come up in here. Yeah. Like that, didn't he? Let me go over what I'm using today. It's this is a Yum
Yum dinger worm, I believe is what it's called. It's the smaller one. Comes in this color that I guess papaya, you might call it that. It's got some pink mixed in there with it. Here in East Tennessee, it's orange, being the big orange country. But anyway, it's not rigged wacky. It kind of looks like it's wacky rigged, but I'm about 3/4 down, and there's a nail weight in the end of this. And when it drops down, it goes this way in the water, and then I can kind of pull it along the bottom there as it kind of taps around on the bottom. But it seems like those fish grabbed it there before it got down, so that's a good sign. It means wacky rigging is kind of right around the corner. Anyway, it's wintertime here in East Tennessee. Water temperature is 45 degrees Fahrenheit on the surface, and that's what I caught those fish in. I'm not real crazy about the way this is rigged up. There's no ring that's holding it right there, and it does keep the bait moving this way on the bottom, then the fish come down and get it that way. But there's a slot in there, and it's a little bit loose, and I lost one because of that. I didn't get a good hook set, but that's what we're using today, and that's what we're catching them on. So let's go see if we can get another one. Hey folks, I'm Jeffrey George Parrott, and while I'm out here fishing today, I just want to do a quick little review of my electric trolling motor I have here. I have the Bixby. It is the K1 model, and I like it real well. It seems to do pretty good here with the PA12, which I've got, and it's got the controllers right here. It's got 12 speeds forward, and I think maybe 3 or 4 speeds in reverse. And I weigh about 225, and again, this is a PA12. I'm not rigged up with a lot of weight in here, and I really like it real well. The battery sits back here in the back. And back there, and then back there in the back is the motor. So let's do a little test here while we're in between fishing and see how this really works out for me. I particularly like it without investing a lot of money. This thing works really well. So I think I probably have maybe $1,400 in the whole setup. So anyway, we're moving right now, and we're on about the 4th speed. So let me kick this on up here to one of its fastest speeds, and I'm going to be going against the wind, as you can see up here, and we'll give a look here at the speed of okay, there's 3.7, maybe 3.8. All right, I'm going to assist this by using my pedal drive and see if I can get this on up here a little faster. I got about 4.25 miles an hour, and now I'm getting ready to go against the wind. Let's see if I do any better on that. I'm going against the wind here. So overall, I'm doing about a little over 4 miles an hour by assisting the motor with my pedal drive in the PA12, and that seems to be plenty enough for me for now. I like it. So that's my on the water quick review of my Bixby K1 motor with the battery. All right, folks, that just about wraps up this wintertime fishing trip.
It was about what I expected. Didn't expect to catch a lot of fish, but the old saying is you can't catch any fish at all if you're just sitting on the couch. So getting out of the house and wetting a line was what I wanted to do today, and worked out okay for me. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed the video. There'll be some more to come in the future. I'm Jeffrey George Parrott. We'll catch you next time.